Elevate your space with a burst of creativity. In the next few minutes, we're unveiling the secrets to the ultimate bedroom transformation. From personalized accent walls to neon vibes, buckle up for a decor adventure that's about to redefine your sanctuary. Let's dive in together. Hello everybody, lovely viewers. Welcome back to HD Interiors, where we're all about turning your space into a cozy haven. Today, we're diving into the world of bedroom wall decor. Now, I don't know about you, but for me, the bedroom is like my personal retreat. It's that one place where you can truly unwind, be yourself, and escape from the chaos of the outside world. And what better way to make it feel even more like you than by spicing up those bare walls? I mean, come on, who doesn't love a good bedroom makeover, right? We've all scrolled through Pinterest or Instagram, daydreaming about those perfectly decorated spaces. Well, guess what? Today, we're turning those dreams into reality. So, whether you're looking to add a touch of sophistication, infuse some nature vibes, or just want to personalize your space, stick around because we've got the top 5 bedroom wall decor ideas that will take your room from meh to wow in no time. But before we jump in, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our fantastic home decor tips. Let's get started on transforming your bedroom walls into a work of art. Alright, let's kick things off with idea number 1, the timeless classic. I'm talking about something that never goes out of style, something that's like the little black dress of home decor. Any guesses? Drumroll, please. Now, a gallery wall isn't just a bunch of random frames thrown up on the wall. Oh no. It's an artful arrangement of your favorite memories, cherished artworks, and maybe a quote or two that speaks to your soul. The beauty of a gallery wall is that it's as unique as you are. You can mix and match frames for that eclectic, lived-in look, or keep it uniform for a clean, sophisticated vibe. Imagine waking up to a visual story of your life every morning, birthdays, vacations, and that random Polaroid from that unforgettable night out. It's like a snapshot of your happiest moments right there on your wall, cheering you on as you start your day. And here's the best part, you don't need a degree in interior design to pull this off. All you need is a little creativity, some frames, and a wall begging for a makeover. Stay tuned because we're just getting started. Next up, we'll be diving into an idea that brings a touch of nature into your sanctuary. Ready for it? Let's go! Now, if a gallery wall isn't your vibe, let's talk about something a bit more nature-inspired. I'm sure many of us have that inner plant parent yearning to break free, right? Idea number 2 on our list is none other than botanical bliss. Picture this, lush greenery, leafy prints, and a touch of the outdoors right in your bedroom. Whether you're a certified plant lady or just someone who appreciates the calming effect of nature, botanical decor is where it's at. You can opt for botanical-themed wall art, maybe a collection of framed pressed flowers, or even go all out with a stunning plant wall. The best part? You don't need a green thumb to pull this off. Faux plants and botanical prints are game changers, adding a breath of fresh air to your space without the need for daily watering. It's like a little garden sanctuary within your 4 walls. So, if you're ready to bring the serenity of nature into your bedroom, stick around. But hey, we're not stopping here, we've got more fantastic ideas coming your way. Up next, we'll explore how to add a personal touch that makes your bedroom uniquely yours. Exciting, right? Let's keep the decor journey rolling. Alright, you nature lovers, I hope you're feeling those botanical vibes. Now, let's switch gears a bit and dive into idea number 3, something that's all about making your space uniquely yours. I'm talking about the personalized accent wall. Your bedroom should be a reflection of you, right? So, why not tell your story through your walls? Whether you're a travel enthusiast, a cityscape lover, or just someone with a ton of personality, a personalized accent wall is the way to go. Imagine waking up to a wall that showcases your adventures, a mural of your favorite city skyline, a world map with pins marking your travels, or even a DIY art project that screams you. The possibilities are as endless as your imagination. The best part about a personalized accent wall is that there are no rules. It's a blank canvas waiting for your unique touch. You can mix and match textures, colors, and elements that speak to you on a personal level. It's like creating a visual autobiography that you get to live with every single day. Ready to add that personal touch to your bedroom? Stick around because we're not done yet. Coming up next, we've got an idea that brings a modern and edgy vibe to your space. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's keep this decor adventure rolling. Alright, creative souls, I hope you're enjoying the journey of transforming your bedroom walls. Now, let's switch things up a bit and bring in a trend that's been taking social media by storm. Get ready for idea number 4. It's all about adding a modern and edgy vibe to your sanctuary. I'm talking about neon lights. Yes, you heard it right. Neon lights are not just for the cool kids or storefronts, they can be the perfect addition to your bedroom decor. Picture this, your favorite quote, a funky design, or even your initials glowing on the wall. It's like a personalized art installation right in your sleep space. Neon lights bring in a playful and contemporary touch, instantly elevating the mood of your room. Plus, they come in a variety of colors and shapes, allowing you to express your style and personality. Whether you're into minimalist vibes or bold statements, neon lights can be customized to fit your aesthetic. So, if you're ready to infuse some vibrant energy into your bedroom, stay with me. But hey, we're not done yet, our grand finale is just around the corner. We're about to explore an idea that adds texture and warmth to your space. Excited? I know I am. Let's keep this decor train rolling. Alright, trendsetters. Neon lights definitely know how to set the mood, but let's dial it back a bit and focus on our grand finale, idea number 5. Get ready to embrace an element that adds texture, coziness, and a touch of boho chic to your bedroom walls. Textured wall hangings. Now, I know what you're thinking, textured wall hangings? Trust me on this one. Whether it's macrame, woven tapestries, or a DIY yarn creation, adding texture to your walls can completely transform the feel of your space. It's like giving your room a warm and inviting hug. Picture this, a beautifully crafted macrame piece hanging above your bed, adding a touch of bohemian charm. Or maybe a woven tapestry that brings in a sense of coziness and depth. The best part about textured wall hangings is their versatility. They work seamlessly with various decor styles, from modern to eclectic. Not only do they look fabulous, but they also create a tactile experience. Imagine running your fingers over those intricate knots or feeling the softness of woven fibers. It's the kind of detail that turns your bedroom into a snug retreat, a place where you can truly unwind after a long day. Well, there you have it, fabulous folks. Our top 5 bedroom wall decor ideas to turn your space into a masterpiece. We've journeyed through gallery walls, embraced the beauty of nature with botanical bliss, added a personal touch with personalized accent walls, brought in a modern edge with neon lights, and rounded it off with the cozy vibes of textured wall hangings. Remember, the key to fantastic bedroom decor is to make it uniquely yours. Your bedroom is your personal haven, and these ideas are just a starting point. Get creative, mix and match, and most importantly, have fun with it. If you found these ideas inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button, share the love, and subscribe for more home decor tips. I want to hear from you, too. Which idea are you itching to try in your own space? Drop a comment down below and let's keep the conversation going. As always, it's been a blast sharing these decor adventures with you. Until next time, happy decorating and sweet dreams in your newly transformed bedroom. Catch you later, design dreamers.